We gotta let the people know what's going on, man.
How do I even tell them? Like, I don't want to be the one to disappoint the people.
Just tell them what happened.
I guess you're right. Gotta rip the Band-Aid off somehow. Like, where do I even start? I guess I just gotta start at the beginning, huh?
Right.
3 years ago, a man told the world he was going to build the first mass-produced carbon fiber hyperscooter. This sent shockwaves through the scooter industry and had a lot of people excited about the future, including us. So we put our heads down and spent a lot of time and resources designing and building this glorious machine that Melvin promised. And that we did. In 2021, we completed the first prototype of the EMOVE Roadster and began the testing phase. This is where we could see just how powerful this vehicle really was and make the necessary tweaks to unlock its potential. But that's where it all went wrong. And oh boy, did a lot go wrong. First of all, aesthetically, it doesn't look as premium as we wanted it to. Honestly, it looks like it could have been built in a garage. The suspension, not good enough. Headlight, not bright enough. Motors, not strong enough. We want this thing to sound like a rocket when it's flying past you. Controller, not enough amp output for our liking. And as for the stem, it doesn't feel bulletproof. At the high velocity we want this thing to reach, speed wobbles are certainly a concern, and this stem just doesn't cut it. After years of conceptualizing, engineering, and constructing a product that couldn't live up to our standards and expectations, the dream of building the best hyperscooter seemed to have faded away. And not to mention the enormous amount of money we poured into this project. Plus, as time has passed, new projects have pushed the Roadster fantasy to the back burner. And 3 years later, the question still remains, what's the deal with the Roadster?